So now we're gonna put the accompaniments on with our cheeses. The first one that we're gonna talk about is our Greek olive mix. These go well with Gruyere. And so Gruyere and olives and things that are acidic like this go really well with Gruyere. So let's find a spot by the Gruyere and just set them on here. So the next accompaniment we're gonna add are the Bella Maria caramelized pecans. These are fantastic with the aged Gouda. So this is real simple. Just kind of take the container, keep your hand from falling off there, and just build yourself a nice little pile. To keep going with our sweet theme here, I am really a fan of the Culinaria Premium Toffee and Sea Salt Milk Chocolate. This, with the caramelized pecans and with the aged Gouda, just adds so many levels to that pairing and change the way that cheese tastes. Now we're gonna try something that's also a little crunchy. I really, really love these fig and pecan crisps from Two's Company. They really have a nice hearty flavor that goes well with every item on this board. Good to have, especially crackers in multiple spots on your board. Now, how do you fill in these voids, right? And so, to me, the best way to do this is with fruit, because it does a couple things. First, they're great pairings with all of these cheeses on here, but then it gives it a pop of color too. So, all of this is at your local Schnucks, and you can find it all in one spot. Just follow the sign on the case, and all these items are there, and we'll walk you through how to make an amazing board that's gonna be fantastic for any party that you go to. And I promise the board's gonna be the star of the show, and so are you.